Dear students, today I'll be covering up a very important topic called confusion. It happens in everyone's mind. It happened with me. I remember when I had left armed forces, I had decided to join the foreign services. At that point of time, I had thought that I'll go into a different domain, but I didn't realize that I enjoyed that environment since my childhood. And in that state of confusion, which was due to ambition, I left the place. And later on, today also, I regret, not because I could not achieve something, but because I did come up with 1,000+ officers, certain lot of dimensions of achievements, but still, the quality of life which I would have enjoyed in the armed forces has been denied. Why? Because of my state of confusion. So I request all of you that when you are in confusion, always think practically. Live the moment. Live the moment means उसी समय के हिसाब से जो अच्छा है उसको सोचो. कभी भी जो चीज कहते हैं one in the hand and two in the bushes, आपको जो हाथ में है उसको पकड़ना चाहिए, जो झाड़ी में है उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं. मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है सभी लोगों से कि आप अपने कंफ्यूजन में ये चीज को याद रखिए. God gives you opportunities, luck gives you opportunities, but if you are confused, where you are not having practical clarity of mind, अगर आपकी यथार्थवादी सोच नहीं है, आप जमीनी सोच नहीं रखेंगे, तो आप इस जो असमंजस की परिस्थिति है, किम कर्तव्य विमूढ़ता, the state of confusion, the state of dilemma, you would do the biggest fatal error possible. So all of you, I have a request that whenever you have such things, sit with yourself. You don't have to listen to others, but you have to sit with yourself, put your priorities straight. Don't live in false illusion of self-glory. Remember, everything is the present moment. Step by step, go ahead. Yes, self-confidence means take the right decision, practically, rightly, and do it. Okay, if that goes wrong, you can correct it later. Okay, that can be corrected later, but your decision should be timely, rightly at that point of time. Now, if you think that that decision, hurrying up, will help you, no, but you should have the right criteria of thought process. Self-awareness, आप कौन हो, आपकी फाइनेंशियल परिस्थिति क्या है, आपकी प्रैक्टिकल परिस्थिति क्या है, आपको क्या मौके में मिलेगा या क्या चीजें आप करोगे, everything has to be crystal clear in your mind. And if you don't do that, you will put yourself in a jeopardy. आप अपने को एक दिक्कत में डाल दोगे. कंफ्यूजन सिमिलैरिटी में आता है. जब सिमिलैरिटी होती है तो हम क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड को ढूंढते हैं, तब हमें फोकस करना पड़ता है अपनी इंटेलिजेंस को. वी हैव टू focus ourselves that what is the right thing at that point of time. The confusions are of three particular types, particularly personal, social. Social means when you go to different place. Suppose you've gone to London, or you've gone to say America, or you've gone to Timbuktu, or you've gone to Hawaiian, or you've gone to somewhere in Africa deep down, or you've gone to somewhere in New Zealand, or you've gone to somewhere in Russia. You'll have to adapt yourself, and that kind of realization you should have. You have to adapt yourself to the type of society you are coming across, or the climatic condition as well. So वो हम लोग social confusions में परिस्थिति के हिसाब से अपने को ढालते हैं, करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सबसे important है हमारा survival. If we are alive, we are living, and when we are living, we will get success. Even our constitution says that the importance of life of the citizen is most important. So remember that. Now let's go out, understand this navigating the state of confusion. We all experience moments of uncertainty and doubt, particularly when something good comes to our way, or something extremely odd comes to our way, or we get too many options. We become confused and we sometimes miss on all the options. हम हर options को छोड़ बैठते. Don't do that. This presentation explores the concept of confusion, its root causes, and practical strategies to resolve. So please pay attention to it. It will help you in identifying even your stories. We will talk about that in a later stage. Now, what is confusion? State of confusion is an emotional condition where our inability to think clearly is missing, and we are not able to decide, we are not able to understand the situation, and we live in illusions. And many times in such situations, people give wrong inputs and we don't analyze by our own self. अपनी बुद्धि से उसको नहीं देखते हैं, दूसरे हमारे वेल विशर्स की बुद्धि से नहीं देखते हैं, और उसके बाद हम लोग पाश्चाताप करते हैं. We regret it for a lifetime. Don't do it. I can be the best teacher because when I left the armed forces, I thought differently. Today, my dearest, one of the dearest friend, a buddy means the one who lived next to my barrack, is a major general in the armed forces. It's a proud moment, but also it speaks very strong of what I could have done on my own personal level. Yes, I have contributed to the society, I am helping people, done, but on my own, one single life, I have consumed it differently. And I could have consumed it differently because at that point of time, in my confusion, I took the decision. And in the process, what I had as the best option, I left it, which I could have enjoyed. I really realized in the armed forces, everything is so well organized, everything is so well defined. You can have clear role ideas, what you are supposed to do, and life is healthy, life is better. But here we keep working, we work like an entrepreneur. So I always feel that that was my state. I'm sharing my story not to cry, but to make you understand, all of you. Here we go. You have a disorientation, you forget what should I do, and you don't know. Sometimes this confusion comes that you are sitting in some kind of ill health condition and you do not know what is happening. So that is. Second comes because you are not very clear what you want to do. And the last is inner conflict. You want to say yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. The confusion is going on. Confusion arises when we face conflicting information. Yes, somebody is telling something, and we are in confusion. We are in emotional turmoil. What should we do? Lack of direction. We are not very clear what we want to do with our life. Suppose we are very clear we want to do this with our life and we are getting certain decisions which will facilitate our thing, हमारी चीज को बेहतर करेंगे, तो we should pick that direction. But sometimes we think, no, I will do it by my own self. In the process, we ignore the practical realities of life. हम लोग जिंदगी की सच्चाई से दूर भाग जाते हैं. Unfortunate. Leading to uncertainty, what to believe, what to do or feel. Yes, confusion also comes क्योंकि आज की दुनिया में लोग एक दूसरे पे विश्वास नहीं करते, बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं लोग एक दूसरे के साथ, और नहीं महसूस कर पाते कि ये गलती उनके लिए जानलेवा है. It is harmful for them. Nevertheless, let's go further. What are the confusion? One is personal confusion. Now, what is the personal emotional conflict? My heart is saying something, my mind is saying something, and this blurs the vision. हमारी जो देखने की क्षमता है उसको धुंधली कर देता है, and we are not able to identify. Remember, the best thing is when your mind becomes your heart, or your heart becomes your mind. Always remember, God has placed a mind in us and kept the heart deep in, because He says use this, not this. In survival, what matters is your mind. This does not. So many movies of Bollywoods and Hollywoods have confused us. Many people in their own romanticized emotional disorder do the maximum mistakes. Why do love marriages fail? Because of this. Because they believe in their heart more than their mind. You have to have a combination of both. And words cannot do anything. You have to understand the practical reality. हकीकत की practical reality को समझना होगा. चीजों को खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए आपको संसाधन, आपको बुद्धि, आपको मेहनत, आपको अपनी हुनर, सब कुछ जोड़ना होगा. You'll have to add all your things together. Then we've got unclear goals. We are not very clear what we want to do. We want to stay here, we want to go there, we want to do. That's exactly what happened with me also. I was there in the armed forces doing well. And then suddenly, I think I'll go outside and do better. We live in illusions. That world is a place where they are awaiting us as kings and queens. कि हम जब जाएंगे तो वो लोग खड़े हो जाएंगे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. God gives us opportunity, we should utilize it maximum, then go to the step 2. Then we come down overthinking. When we overthink, no, this is wrong, that is also wrong, that cannot be there. Now we are doing wrong. We have to think. Live the moment. एक कहावत है, live the moment. Lord Krishna said, one of the best practical mythological figure of the entire globe, Lord Krishna. He says, live the moment, live the situation. उसको जिए, समय को जिए, परिस्थिति को जिए और 100% जिए. मत सोचिए कल क्या है, और सब कुछ अच्छा होगा, पर परिस्थिति को जिए. And live it up. Understand that opportunities don't come again and again. That is why they told Arjuna, raise your this thing. You will have to. You have given your best shot. Now it is time to capitalize. कई लोग आप में से अच्छी शिक्षा ले लेते, जब उनके पास मौके आते नौकरी के या कोई भी निजी या कोई भी लाभदारी, ध्यान ही नहीं दे पाते, और फिर बाद में जिंदगी की चाल को जबरदस्ती जटिल बना देते. Don't do that. Learn from my mistake, because if I admit that I did mistakes which I could have done, I not only left armed forces, I left PCS, I left probationary officer, I left many other jobs, I even left an opportunity to go abroad at that point of time. And that was booming time. 90s. Imagine where I would have been. And many of my friends who capitalized it have done well. Not that I am regretting, I am enjoying to teach you guys, but still, don't you think that was wrong on my personal front? So I am sharing it with you. Now, overthinking, too many choices. When you have you think, okay, God, I'll get it, everything. I am a very super smart person. It's not. It is only few times when you do that. Then you have social and personal, professional confusions. In social confusions, there are conflicting opinion. Koi kuch keh raha hai. Like many time you go down and ask somebody, how is it? He says, no, not good. The other person says it was good. It was a third says something else, and you go into confusion. There are some people who are critical. There are some people who do not like your performance, who are not appreciative. There are some people who are rightly appreciative. There are some people who are not your good well-wishers, but they are pretending to be well-wishers. वो आपके शुभचिंतक नहीं है, पर दिखने की कोशिश करते हैं. अरे बुद्धि लगाइए, आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लेंगे. आप उनको डांटिए मत, आप उनको गले मत लगाइए, पहचानिए, और जहां हैं उनको रहने दीजिए. इसलिए डोंट थिंक ऑन द पॉइंट्स ऑफ अदर्स. देन कल्चरल एंड पर्सनल वैल्यूज. आपके कुछ अपने मन में होंगे, मैं ऐसे. डोंट ट्राई टू रेज योर स्टैंडर्ड टू अ ब्रॉडर हेमिस्फेयर. अड़ियल मत बनिए, जिद्दी मत बनिए, चीजों को समझिए. पीयर प्रेशर, कभी ग्रुप का प्रेशर होता है, अरे ऐसा कर दिया, अरे. रिमेंबर, यू आर द ओनली पर्सन लिविंग ऑन द अर्थ, एंड योर डेस्टिनी इज योर्स, इट इज नॉट अदर्स. सो डोंट गो बाय देयर सिली प्रेशर्स, गो ओनली बाय वेल विशर्स, और गो बाय योर प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग को समझिए. हर चीज का एक टाइम होता है, एक मौका होता है, एक चीज सिचुएशन होती है. अब आप एसएसबी जा रहे हैं और आप बोलते मैं आके प्रैक्टिस करूंगा स्टोरी राइटिंग, आप मूर्ख हैं. अरे स्टोरी राइटिंग पहले करिए, एसआरटीज पहले करिए, so that when you go there you are ready with it. Don't bluff yourself, do it in right time. Miscommunication, you get miscommunication. There are many people who feel if you say rudely I will not do it, if you say harshly I will not do it, if you said this way why does not your intelligence grow bigger than your anything else? Why don't you understand that? Your intelligence is more important for you, not for anybody else. Then you have got social comparison. You compare yourself with the others. Don't do that. Live happily with what you have. But yes, rise, reduce your pressures. That is what progress is about. Utilizing things, resources. Your intelligence is also your resources, but other resources. योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। इसीलिए आर्म फोर्सेस में हम हर संसाधनों को यूज करते हैं, ये सब चीजों से नहीं चलते। हम लोग कंफ्यूजन को दूर रखते, बहुत दूर। प्रोफेशनल कंफ्यूजन्स, अनक्लियर जॉब रोल्स, कभी कभी लगता है ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है। नो, बी वेरी क्लियर, यू आर डूइंग इट, you may have to do variety. Be very clear. Don't feel confused. You have to do both. You can do multitasking. Learn the art of multitasking. That's important. Skills mismatch. आपकी उतनी निपुणता नहीं है, आपको कुछ करना पड़ रहा है, बहुत अच्छा है। This is a challenging situation where you are learning a new skill. So never feel confused or surrendering. Then lack of feedback. Nobody is telling how did you do it. Never mind. Use your logic to find out the feedback. अपने फीडबैक के हिसाब से मैंने अच्छा किया, अच्छी मंशा से किया, बस ठीक है। किसी को अच्छा लगे ना लगे, पर अच्छा करिए। अगर फीडबैक मिल जाए और अच्छा है। एम्बिग्यूअस लीडरशिप, एम्बिग्यूअस माने पता ही नहीं कौन क्या करना है। नेवर माइंड, अगर आप लॉजिक को यूज करेंगे, यू विल बी एबल टू रिजॉल्व दैट कंफ्यूजन। रिमेंबर, एम्बिग्यूअस में इफ योर इंटेंशन इज गुड, your focus is good, your objective is clear, you will do well. Then you have career dilemmas. I have told you, I faced it. Should I do this, should I? No, be very clear. Identify what have been your efforts and how you can multiply on your efforts, how you can get your resources together to take it on a higher basis. Do that. Communication is a very good way. If you communicate, you can get more clarity. And if the communications are not good and you are realizing, then a resolution has to come up in a different way. Now, resolving personal confusion. Self reflection करिए, अपने मन में meditate करके ध्यान से सोचिए, what is one person saying, what is my best thing, what I should do, and what is the real picture of life. There are so many people. You must have heard of Frog and Princess. You must have heard of Cinderella. You must have heard of the one with the long, what should I say, long hairs, and used to use it for some fairy tales. All those people were very clear what they want. They never looked at artificial things. They looked at the core things. Limit your options. When you find options, cut them out. This is not good. Why? Because of this. This is not good because of this. This way you will be able to reduce. You have to identify which is a better option. Imagine you go to Swayamvar. Imagine you go down to some other kind of place where you go into market. Do you know why girls also get more confused? Because they think too much about how to be unique without being sensible. समझदार बनने के बजाय वो कुछ अलग बनने के चक्कर में वो कई एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। आप दुकान में जाएंगे तो वो हर प्रकार की साड़ियाँ, हर प्रकार की सलवार खुलवा देंगे। इसी तरह मेन मोर प्रैक्टिकल, तो दे आर वेरी स्पेसिफिक बिफोर गोइंग टू द शॉप कि उनको चाहिए क्या। डिसीजन जल्दी लेते हैं, लेके चले आते। गलत हो गया, अगली बार सुधार लेते हैं। पर इनके साथ क्या होता है, ये अपने आप को थोड़ा कंफ्यूज करते हैं, अच्छे के चक्कर में और कंफ्यूज हो जाते और समय काफी बर्बाद करते। आफ्टर ऑल, टाइम इज मनी, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग विच यू हैव टू लर्न। It is not a blame to the girls or to the female gender. It is a socio-cultural situation. The girls who are now going into professional world, who are now joining professionalism, where their time is money, they are taking fast decisions and they are not doing this wastage of time, which generally other girls who are doing it, who are only spouse and not working and do not have that much of effectivity in it. That is the truth. I'm not belittling. Please don't put me into that conflict. I'm not belittling anyone. Come back. Set clear goals. पहले decide करो तुम्हें करना क्या है, जिंदगी में कितने आगे जाना है, कैसे करना है. Whom all are your core teams? How you want to help them? How you can do it? Resolve, clarify. पहचानिए आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लोग हैं उनके बारे में, अपने घर के लोग हैं उनके बारे में. Identify. Practice mindfulness. अकल को जागाइए. Don't live in a false world. If I think I love my hairs, I don't have it. So I have to be mindful to understand that I don't have it and I don't want to make a new style. I've got a simple, clear style. इसी तरह अपने सपने में मत जिए, reality में जिए. Focus on रिड्यूस एंजाइटी। सोशल कंफ्यूजन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, कम्युनिकेशन करिए, दूसरे से बात करिए, तब पता चलेगा वो व्यक्ति, वो जन है कौन। You will understand what is, if you don't talk, how can you perceive? That is exactly what is wrong. If you don't communicate, you will create social confusion and you may suffer maximum. You will look at many people who look very attractive, look at people who look very impressive, but later on you will come to know that is only marketing. Something more is important. So remember that. So open your confidence, ask questions, clarify questions. Avoid gossip. Don't go by gossip of others. Everybody is living a hypocritical life. There are many people who live differently and then they talk, but they cater to one focus, their prosperity. वो अपनी prosperity पे ध्यान देते हैं, तो वो अपनी prosperity पे ध्यान देते हैं, फालतू बातों में उनका मन नहीं लगता। They don't go for shallow things. They go for genuine things, clear things. Then assert values. अपनी values को assert करिए। अपनी बात, don't fall under pressure, but that pressure does not mean don't listen to good advice, don't listen to good points. That is not pressure. Then build confidence. अपने पे confidence, अपनी worth, अपनी capabilities को बढ़ाइए. That also means blending with what is the new opportunities coming to your way. That does not mean that I am believe in my worth, so I am closing my door to other opportunities. No, then your growth will be restricted. And people will train you to be happy, you will do something very good, but they are not opening opportunities. You will have to see that. याद रखिएगा, confusions आपको बर्बाद कर सकते हैं. Resolving professional confusions. आपने कभी भी जॉब करते तो clarify करिए आपकी roles क्या हैं, what are the responsibilities. In case you have additional, do it. Sometimes you may feel I did my job yet I got scolded or something, so you can clear it. Is it clear? Next, you come down to request feedback. Take the help of people's feedback. If you feel I have done my best but the other is having some shortcoming, raise your standard. अपनी मेहनत करके उस चीज को ऊंचा करिए. That is how you can do well in organization. Prioritize tasks. पहले क्या करना है, बाद में क्या करना है. Prioritize. You know what is important, what is not. Seek mentorship. किसी व्यक्ति जन जो आपको शानदार लगता है, जो आपका सीनियर है, गाइडेंस है, उसकी मेंटरशिप, उसकी दिशा लीजिए and try to go ahead, learn positive things. Now, mentorship does not mean blind devotion. It means open understanding of what you are learning. Today when I teach you, I don't want you to blindly follow me. I want you to open your logical mind. The moment you do that, everything falls in place. Is it clear? So remember that. Now last key takeaways we will talk. In personal area, root causes emotional conflict and overthinking. You'll always have. I have seen that people in personal, I was very, very sensitive to a few people and they made me a mess. They made me a mess by their overthinking and emotional conflict. So you should not get into that trap. I always tell all the candidates that you should not. There are people who are interested in all such conditions, and particularly parents, particularly other people, they are emotionally attached. They may lead you to a restricted zone. वो अपने प्रोटेक्शन के चक्कर में आपको रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर देंगे और आगे जब समय आएगा तो आपकी ग्रोथ रुक जाएगी. ऐसा मत करिए. Try to be watchful, talk to them and mix with them, but don't get subdued by anyone and anyone at all. I can tell you, because remember, the sufferers are the best teachers. So I can teach you this and you should learn. Then resolution कैसे solve करेंगे? Self reflection. अपने दिमाग को इस्तेमाल करिए. देखिए कि मेरे को क्या करना है जिंदगी में. Will I have to always do this? Put your emotions back. I'm talking to that backbencher there, listening, that put your emotions back, because as I know, if you prioritize emotions, your personal confusion will always remain and later on you will regret it. So keep your emotions back, move ahead, do nice thing, and then you will have healthy emotions. In a good position, a king has the right to help everyone, but a pauper, a poor person, will only dream but will not be. So become a king by your own position. Then your emotions will value, everybody's emotions will value, and you will be able to enjoy those emotions. Is it clear? So remember that. Now we come down to social area. In this, miscommunication is the biggest problem. You don't talk and you think that person is this, and there is sometimes peer pressure, that is group pressure. So cut that out. Then we've got resolution. You should talk honestly, assert yourself, speak clearly, and be very clear what you want to do. Last confusion which I want to tell you is of professional. Unclear roles, overworking. Sometimes you work too much, you get tired, you become into a state of confusion. And sometimes you have unclear roles, you don't know what all to do. So clear that. Sit down, meditate, clear it. And if you have multiple tasks, then also define what is to be done first, second, third. That is prioritization. If you have multiple tasks, how will you do first, second, third? Then take feedback. Feedback means take what did I do, how did you like it, and you can also do mentorship. You can go down to a good person and understand how I can do it better. इसको कैसे बेहतर कर सकते. तो इस तरीके से अगर आप लोग करेंगे तो आपके कंफ्यूजन्स क्लियर होंगे and you can navigate uncertainty और clarity की तरफ आप बढ़ेंगे. Is it clear to all of you? So I hope this session will help you in everything of your mind, right from personal, social and professional. Thank you.